ChatGPT. Private school in the UK homework approach changes homework approach to introduce flipped learning amid rise of AI bot. That's an artificial intelligence robot. Now, you probably have seen, heard about, and used artificial intelligence robots. The most popular one nowadays seems to be ChatGPT. Now the thing is, I typed, for example, some message in ChatGPT asking it to solve a maths problem, a complicated maths problem, and it retypes it very fast. It shows the solution very quickly, one step at a time, as if it was somebody there typing it, using terms such as we take this step 2, we divide this by that, next we substitute a, we substitute 5 for x, and then, and so on and so forth, as if it was somebody communicating with you, solving problems very quickly. Now, the thing is, there's a lot of implications for this in the classroom. Now, students can easily use it to cheat. It can type, it can write essays that seem like a human being wrote it, with perfect grammar, spelling, no grammatical error, no spelling error, passes plagiarism detector test, checks, and so on, right? Now, it means that teachers would need, just like in this, what they say in this article, teachers are beginning to move away from graded homework, graded work that is done at home and must be done in the class. As for me, I've moved away from graded homework and graded assignments that's done outside of the classroom, because students, they copy from each other. I've seen cases where one student wrote the solutions to the problem and other students have to pay them. They accept payment from other students to copy their work, right? They sell their work to other students for them to copy. Now, nowadays, they don't even have to do that. They just use a artificial intelligence robot online. Now, here, that is one of the major changes that will have to take place in the classroom, right? But then, there are what are called AI detectors, where a teacher can use a software to scan and detect whether an assignment was done by artificial intelligence or by a human being. But then guess what? All the students would have to do is make the artificial intelligence type the essay or the solutions, then go through it and make some changes to it. That's all. And I think that in that case, it might be able to trick the artificial intelligence detector to think that it was indeed a human who wrote that essay, who did that assignment. I think that is one of the major implications of the use of artificial intelligence. And it's fairly new, you know. ChatGPT was released, I think, in November 2022. It's now March 2023, so that's November, December, January, February, March, 4 months ago. Alright? And I am seeing a near future in which, the thing is, You have very good text-to-speech software nowadays. I use ChatGTP and I'm only seeing the text, but it could some type of text-to-speech reader could be used to read the text as it appears on the screen, as if somebody was writing it, was typing it and reading it, right? And then you have handwriting. You have software where you can write with your hand and it translates it into typing. Now, what's to prevent typed words from being translated into writing? So you could ask a question. You see some fake person on the screen speaking and writing, handwritten. Whatever they speak, they're writing in it with it. And then that could be used to create videos, right? Competing against videos that I create or other teachers create, other persons create. So artificial intelligence could replace persons, teachers, and other persons who are creating videos online. It has started already to replace what they call them again, customer service representatives, right? There's a lot of persons in industry that could be replaced with it. You have already seen where automated teller machines have replaced bank tellers. In the past, banks would advertise, say they offer service with a smile, and they put some young beautiful woman at the counter. And I guess this was supposed to attract customers with money to look at these beautiful women as they speak to them at the counter. Listen to their voices, what beautiful voices. But now they see that people are not interested in that. People just want their money. And ABMs, automated banking machines, are used to replace these young beautiful women at the counter. They are even encouraging persons to use these ABMs instead of coming into the banking hall. It's the same way artificial intelligence is being used to replace a lot of human beings, right, in the service industry. Well, very interesting times ahead. We'll see more about what's going on. So, read the article. It's an interesting article. If you type in this heading, private school in UK changes homework approach to introduce flipped learning amid the rise of AI robot, you'll see it there. So, I'll see you next time.